True crime case study. Midlands, England, late 2020. Challenge. Investigators suspect that a murder victim's locked Samsung S10 smartphone contains vital evidence. No other digital forensic software could obtain the passcode for a physical extraction of the device at the time. The investigation seemed to have come to a dead end. Solution. The investigator asked for advice from a colleague who was familiar with XRY. He was advised that the newly released XRY version 9.3 could bypass the security protections on the S10 model in question. XRY got the job done. A physical extraction was performed and the artifacts could then be examined, leading to the recovery of essential evidence. Conclusion. MSAB solutions lead the competition in enabling law enforcement officers to get crucial evidence, allowing the investigation to continue. Quote, "The data recovered was viewed today, and a video recorded at the time of the incident by the victim will assist tremendously with the case. If it hadn't have been for your software, we would not have been able to provide such amazing evidence to the officers for them to continue to investigate this awful crime. So, on behalf of my force, I would like to say a huge thank you for your service."